Binance staking. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can do Binance staking, how Binance staking works. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to binance.com. Binance is an amazing platform that allows you to buy and sell crypto. It is a crypto platform, a very famous platform with a lot of different features. We get our own buy crypto option. We have markets, we have trade, we have derivatives, we have earn, finance, and NFT marketplace as well. So it is all in one platform, and we also get the staking option in Binance. So that's what we will be talking about today. We will not cover other topics. We're going to talk about the staking today. So how to register for Binance if you have not already done that. So what happens is simply click on register right here, and then you simply register for your binance.com. The signing up process is very easy. You simply sign up with your email address, and then you just have to add few of the details. So you have to choose your country of residence. I'm gonna go ahead and choose mine. So I'm gonna simply click right here and choose my country. After that, you simply click on create Binance account. You simply add your email address right here. Then you're gonna add your password. I agree to Binance, and then simply click on create account, and your new account on Binance will be created just like that. So it's super easy. So now you have signed up for Binance. Let's check out Binance staking. So what you want to do is you will simply go to finance right here. When we go to finance, we will be able to find the staking option. So now let's check out Binance staking. What I want you to do is you will simply go to earn right here, and in earn you will find the option of staking right here. Simply click right here, and then it will take you to all of the different staking options and stakes that we get in our Binance. You can directly go to binance.com/staking, and you will land right here. So now let's check out. So these are the locked staking option. Then we have DeFi staking as well. Now I will be able to find all of the tokens right here available on Binance, and I can actually get started with the stake right now. Let's check out any of these and open it up. I just want to also clarify that this video is not a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Getting into staking and buying and selling crypto, buying and trading everything, it involves a high degree of risk, and if you are willing to risk your money or not. So make sure that you have all the information about it, and make sure that you truly understand staking, and then get into this. I am just telling you about the Binance platform, so just keep that in mind. That being said, let's open up right here BNB. Let's open this one up. So to open it up, you will simply click right here on stakes. Now so let's check out the minimum locked amount of any of these. Let's check out BNB, right? The minimum locked amount is going to be 0.01 BNB. Then you can also check the duration. So it is like 120, last 120 days, and it is 12.99% the ESC apply. And then if I click on 30, it is going to be 5.86. So you can also check it out right here, and all of the different tokens are given right here. BNB, Mina, DAR, different. So if you get more information like what is log staking, and why it will happen when I'm holding a stake, and if you have other questions, you can also check them out right here. So if I go to DeFi staking, let me also show you the DeFi staking option that we have right here on Binance. So this is the DeFi staking right here. You can see right here we have different stakes. We have BTC, we have BNB. Again minimum locked amount is given right here, and then we also have the duration. So we are getting like 30 to 60 day duration, and then we're also getting the flexible clock option. Let's expand all of these staking products, and let's check them out. So now we have all of these six right here. I think these are total of 13 available. So now if you were wondering, if you are into, let's say you wanted to buy Ethereum, you wanted to go for BNB, you wanted to go for BUSD. So we are getting all of these stakes right here. We're not only getting the Binance stake, for example BNB and BUSD, but we are also getting Bitcoin, we're also getting Ethereum. So all of the famous staking options are available, and flexible lock is available. That is actually pretty impressive option that we have. You will be also able to check out the sold out option, like this one is sold out right now. Then you can also check out the minimum lock amount, so you will have a better idea. And the minimum lock amount is actually very low. It's just like 0.0001 BTC or 0.0001 BNB. So this is actually really amazing. Very easy staking options are available, and all of the famous stakes are also available on Binance. So now what you need to do is you simply kind of like go ahead and sign up for Binance, and after that you will actually get more information about these stakes, how to buy one. You simply click right here on stake now, and then you will be able to check out different options as well, of course, once you have signed up for Binance. So the total log staking options are 104 products are available. This is impressive. I can also kind of like go and filter my search according to display available only and match my asset. We can also search for any coin if you're like struggling to find something. Let's say I wanted to go for I want to check out BTC, then I can just go ahead and find it. If I wanted to go for ETH, then I can just simply go ahead and do that. If I want to go for BTC, I can find it as well. So this is how we kind of like find different, you can see right here, we can find different stakes right here. The market value is pretty high, and the minimum lock amount is low as well. So this is the basic view of Binance staking, how you can simply go ahead and check out Binance staking right now. Very easy platform. Of course, you will need a basic information before you get into any of this. Once you have the information, then you can simply come to binance.com/staking, and then you will be able to check out all of the options right here. You can also check out the trade, the buy crypto option, NFT marketplace. Binance is all in one platform that allows you to do a lot just more than staking. So you will be able to create an amazing business of your own. And if you are an investor, then I think Binance is one of the best platforms out there for you to kind of like invest in everything from crypto to stakes. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know the basic information about Binance staking. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.